Hey, how are you?
I'm good, how about you?
I'm great. I have got a new phone.
That's awesome, but wait. Did you mean to say, I got a new phone or I have a new phone?
Aren't I have got, and I have, the same?
Not exactly. I have got is more common in British English, but I have is simpler and works everywhere.
Oh, so in American English, it's better to just say, I have a new phone.
Yes, and if you want to talk about the past, you should say, I got a new phone, not, I have got a new phone.
That makes sense. So, I have a car, is correct, and, I got a car, means I recently bought it?
Exactly, you got it right.
Thanks for explaining. Now I know how to use them correctly. I'll remember this from now on.
No problem, keep practicing and soon these small mistakes will disappear, winking face.
Absolutely. By the way, let's take a selfie with my new phone.
Sure, let's do it.